Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Elastic Cloud for search and analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with activating Elastic Cloud for search and analytics, open your web browser. Navigate to the Elastic Cloud official website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Click on Create Account to finalize your registration. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Elastic Cloud website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the Elastic Cloud dashboard. Select the Create Deployment option to start setting up your cloud environment. Choose your preferred cloud provider from the available options. Specify the region where you want your deployment to be located. Select the version of Elasticsearch you want to use. Configure the deployment settings, including the size and scale of your resources. Review the default security settings and adjust them if necessary. Click on Create Deployment to initiate the setup process. Wait for the deployment to complete, which might take a few minutes. Once completed, you will see your deployment listed in the dashboard. Click on the deployment name to access its details and management options. To start using your deployment, note the access URL and credentials provided. Open Kibana by navigating to the Kibana link associated with your deployment. In Kibana, you can perform various search and analytics tasks. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with different features and options. Start indexing your data by following Elastic's guidelines for data ingestion. Utilize the powerful search and analytics features to gain insights from your data. Monitor your deployment's performance and adjust resources as needed. Now you are ready to fully leverage Elastic Cloud for your search and analytics needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.